Word carried the wag was among the early callers that visited Emenike on his sick bed. I hope you slept well, he said. I wonder what Madume meant by this crazy fight. I thought this type of a thing is now only for children. Emenike wanted to explain that his illness was not caused by the fight. That he gave Madume several beatings. He defeated him severally and gave him worse beating. Only that his side hit on the top of a stump of a tree. But cough could not allow him to explain himself. He decided to keep quiet. So what he could have handled amicably at first, now he is explaining. No one was there to bear him witness because Madume may be spreading the news that he is the one that defeated him, whereas Emenike was the one that defeated him, only that he sustained injury. That is why it's not good to encourage fight. Bye. Share this video, guys. Share it. Anụzi n'ọgụ onye si gị na idighi ike si ya na-ejighozi ike ọkpụkpụ aka kịta eri nri, na ọ bụ onye ike dị ya na ezinụlọ ya mee gịnị kụwa ọkpọ. Ka emesienụ ndị nke m.